Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great day. I hope that you had a wonderful holiday season. Christmas is over, Vlogmas is over, and now the New Year celebration is upon us. And I want to jump in and share 8 must-have travel items for 2025, and even last-minute gifts for people who are still traveling for the New Year's. So let's just jump right in. The first item I want to share with you is this ultra sleek power bank. It is so cute. It comes in assorted colors because we gotta have options and choices, okay, girls and boys. Um, it is compatible with Samsung, Apple, and Google, and it's very compact. It is the size of a credit card, and it is very sleek. You can pop it into your purse, your backpack, and you're good to go. And this is great for, like, when you have layover, or you end up in some place where there's a extending amount, you're there for an extended amount of time, and you need to charge your things up, your phone up. This is perfect. Number two, I love this Take Today. That's the name of the brand, Take Today. It is BPA free. It is silicone, made of silicone material. It is TSA approved, leak proof, and it comes in 3 colors. The color you see on the screen, and blue and white. And I love how you can literally fold. It's not even collapsible. It's foldable. You can fold it up and pop it anywhere in your backpack, suitcase, purse. You can pop it up and open it up when you need it, and then close it back down when you do want to use it. I love this, and I just love the colorways that they have for this brand. And I want to tell you, everything that I mentioned here today is on Amazon, and I'm gonna link it down below so that it's easy for you to find these items. Okay, number three is from a company called Cushion Lab, and this it is a neck pillow. Excuse me, it's a neck pillow, and it's an ergonomic design. It supports your chin and your neck. It also comes in assorted colors. It has a memory foam, and it is very compact. As you see, you can literally fold it up and stick it into a little pouch, and that you can also pop that into your backpack, anywhere. I hate I'm one of those people who have had in the past a neck pillow that's just bulky and all over the place, and sometimes you have it attached to your suitcase or your backpack, and it's just hanging there, and it's touching everything and touching every surface. And when you think about it, it's really disgusting, and you get back on the plane and you have your face all over it and your neck all over it. I love that Cushion Lab has designed an um, ergonomic neck pillow that's very compact and easy to carry, and you don't have to have it in everything. When you're done with it, you pop it in your pouch and store it away, and you're good to go. Number three, we have travel journals. So I also love this because it is very compact and easy to carry. I think the size is 5.5 by 8. It comes in an 8 pack. And as you can see, there's several colors to choose from, and I love that they are sleek and small, and you can pop them in your bag. Give one to a friend, and use one for every country you visit. Whatever you want to do with it is your choice, but it is easy to carry, and I just love the colorway as well. At So here we are with MUMI. This is a travel laundry bag, and when you're traveling, you do need places to put your bags, your excuse me, your dirty clothes. Um, and this is perfect. This also comes in assorted colors, and it looks really small on the screen, but it actually opens out to much bigger, and it has a hanger that you can attach to it and hang it on a door. It is smell and moisture proof, and it's very compact, so you use it. And what I love about this, you can carry it with you, stick it anywhere, again, in your purse, backpack, wherever you need to. But what I love about it is, like when you're traveling, sometimes you may not be able to wash your clothes in between travels, all of your clothes. So this will keep it separate from your clean clothes. And what's good about it is it's smell and moisture proof. So if you have to have dirty clothes in with your clean clothes, it protects your clean clothes from any moisture from the the dirty clothes and any smells that will get on your, it will protect, it keeps it separate. So that's what I love about this design. And it's also easy to fold up and stick in your backpack, purse, and pop it out when you need to. If you're in a hotel or Airbnb, you can pop it up with a little hanger and hang it on the door and have some place to put your dirty clothes. Next up is the mini toiletry kit. So this is also very handy when you're traveling. Sometimes you're cut for time and you don't have time to go out and purchase all these little things and gather it. I know it's something I always used to do. And this is nice to have. You can just order this from Amazon. It's at a decent price point, and you just pop it in your bag and go. Because a lot of times when you go to Airbnbs and hotels, they have bare minimum. They don't have anything like toothpaste and toothbrush. And I know I've been one of those people that forgot my toothbrush, and then it's just like got to go through this whole thing and wait till the next day, or have to go out and get it someplace when you're just probably new to the place, you don't know the area. This is perfect to just have in your purse. And you're good to go. It has lotion, it has a little hair shampoo, it has dental floss, it has toothpaste, it has a shower cap. So this is a good little addition to your travel items. And men, I could not forget you. We also have a little miniature toiletry kit here for you men as well. And this comes with a comb, it comes with band-aids, it comes with a toothbrush, also toothpaste, dental floss, a razor, shampoo, deodorant. I think this is some foot powder, um, some lip chap. Yeah, so you're good to go for your basic necessities until you can get to whatever else you need, depending on how long you're traveling for. Um, and last but not least, I think this is so necessary. This is almost as necessary. This is as necessary as having a toilet cover in a public bathroom. When you're taking these flights, depending on who you're flying with and what class you're flying, it really looks like a lot of times the areas are not really cleaned, or even wiped down. Because I know I've traveled several times and I've seen stains on the seat, stains on the tray tables. It's just a mess, and you're just like, wow, really? So I think this is great, to add an extra bit of comfort to your travel, when you have a seat cover on the airplane. This is actually a must-have for 2025, and it comes in a six pack. It's very compact. You can pop it in your purse, your backpack, and pull it out once you get on a plane. They're also useful for like public seats. I don't know what public seat you would really use it on, but I know this is ideal for when you're flying. So yeah, these are my 8 must-haves for 2025. I would love it if you could comment down below and tell me some things that you must have when you're traveling. Like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, I would love for you to subscribe because I would love your support. And it's free. It's free. So yeah, comment down below and tell me what you're doing for New Year's Eve or New Year's. I'd love to hear from you. Have a great day. See you soon.